Good morning. It is June the 7th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading day this summer with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. So, we have no news today. The financial meme is tomorrow's election in Britain. ECB's statement about inflation and what they're going to do about it. The ECB announcement that can move markets. And Comey's testimony, where he's already said that he won't accuse Trump of obstruction of justice, which means he won't accuse himself of covering up a crime if that were the case. But Comey's testimony will be sensationalized and Trump will be painted out as the villain and all this stuff. That's the meme that they're working. Any and everything that comes out of this administration is attacked, usually with fake news. So those are the three things that the market is eagerly awaiting tomorrow. In addition, we will be rolling to the September contract in the E-mini. And the current government's polling has shown a big decrease in the support for Theresa May's government. So that probably is in question, but my guess is that she'll probably prevail. The ECB news will be status quo, probably with rhetoric about they're concerned about this or that. And then Comey's testimony is going to be a show. Put on by the mainstream media with the help of the Democrats. And we know how that plays. Resistance starts at 24 to 28, and that's going to be sell 1. 31 to 03 will be sell 2. I just see a trading range today. On the buy side, 16 to 20. And then 9 to 13. Crude oil is expected to draw 3.1 million barrels. That's the news. The APIs last night, crude drew 4.62, but gasoline grew 4.08. And this is summer. We're supposed to be pulling gasoline down. We're not supposed to be building inventory. So anyway, we will see what the news brings today as far as crude trading goes. Quiet summer trading is what I envision. Looking at the bomb. As it is affectionately known by some players. Putting all this together. Doing an X split. We're trying to trade down and test support. So first support band is going to be 24 to 20. Buying 13 to 17. Buy 1. Buying 1 to 5. Buy 2. On the sell side, resistance is the buck to 04. 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. Okay, the big number is 155.16. That is a chart high that's been in place for a long time. If we take that out, people will have to rearrange their books, their hedging strategies, etc. And that can cause a big move. So a structural sell at 155.15 will got a small loss, and if you're right, you got a shot at a lot of trading range. I'm looking for maybe a 12-tick day in the 30-year today. Probably more fertile fields to plow than the 30-year today. Okay, gold, we're still looking for them to grab stops above 1,300. Doesn't look like it's going to happen today, so we have yesterday's high. We're a little bit lower. We're at 92, so pretty much where we were yesterday, 95, 97, sell 1. 99.01, sell 2. On the buy side, 89 to 91, buy 1. 85, 87, buy 2. Looking at the euro, at 6:15 this morning, it got hammered. There wasn't a specific piece of news about that, but said concerns about tomorrow's ECB rate announcement. So buy 1, 112 even, 112.10. Buy 2, 75 to 85. On the sell side, 30 to 40, sell 1. 50 to 60, sell 2. I think the range may be in on the euro. We'll see. First trade's a sell. If we can't take out 112.10, okay to trade from the long side. Crude oil had a big draw last night, 4.62. I think they said it was the 9th week in a row that crude inventories have drawn. Did build gasoline 4.08 million barrels, so that's why it was sold. We had that late rally based on the draw on crude. You can see we've got very good resistance at 48.50. So 48 1/4, 48.50, sell 1. Okay, the trading range, probably selling against 48 1/4 is probably the first trade out. 48.50, 48.75, buy 1. 47 even, 47 1/4, buy 2. And 48.75, 49, sell 2. And looking at the E-mini, got a buyer, 28 or better. Maybe a play for stops below 28. I have a seller, 38 or better. You can see we're in a pretty tight trading range, so support has been tested, so maybe resistance will be tested. I'm going to put a question mark here at 35. I had 34 to 36 as a sell, and that'll be the first place, but we'll make 39.40, sell 1. 44.46, sell 2. I'm looking for maybe a 6-7 handle day session range for the first couple hours. 26.28, buy 1. 20.22, buy 2. No news to speak of today except for the EIA inventories and all the supposition about what Comey is going to say and what damage it'll do for that ogre that's in the White House. But the talking heads will be flapping their jaws, probably at higher speeds than normal because they don't have anything to talk about, no hard news to talk about. So it'll take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy. I'll be back with you as soon as possible.